Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Log In. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can log into your WeChat account. So keep watching the video till the end and subscribe to our channel if you are new and turn on the notifications so you are updated on our future videos. Now to log into your account, you need to download the application of WeChat on your device. After the application has been downloaded, you can tap open the application. From here you'll be able to log in by clicking on the login option, or if you do not have an account you can sign up by going through the sign up process. You can also change the language and choose any of the preferred language. Now firstly select your country and then enter in your mobile number. And if you tap on other login options, it will show you other ways that you can log in. If you used any of these options while creating your account, you can select these options to log in. But if you used your mobile number, then you'll need to log in using your mobile number. Now type in your mobile number and then hit accept and continue. Now you will need to enter the password that you created while signing up for WeChat, or you can also log in via SMS verification. If you click on this option, a verification code will be sent to your mobile number. So if you don't remember your password, you can log in through this process. After you're done, you can hit login. Next, you'll need to verify your identity. You can do that using three methods. You can choose to verify through SMS, through QR code, or you can ask friends to verify account using Help Friends Login section on the app. So if you choose SMS verification, you will receive a verification code which you'll need to enter to be able to log in. After you're done, hit submit. And just like that, you have been logged into your WeChat account. I hope you guys liked this video and found this video to be helpful. If you did, then give this video a thumbs up, and we will be back soon with more content similar to this. Thank you for watching.